Okay. Take your English writing book, 3-letter words. Now we have some more words to learn, right? Some more 3-letter words are there to learn. So we'll write another set today. Okay. Take the orange color book. And today we are going to read ot sound words. Ot sound words, right? Turn to this page, darling. Vetun, I can't see you, darling. Vetun, the cam is off, I think. Yes. Vetun. Right. Now I can see you. Right. Turn to this page. We are learning O sound. Here, see, the center sound is O now. O. Right? We'll read this. K-O-T, cot. K-O-T, cot. Right? K-O-T, cot. The next one, we'll match later. We'll read first. P-O-T, P-O-T, pot. Pot. Yes. H-O-T, H-O-T, hot. Very good, Vetun. Very good, hot. D-O-T, dot. D-O-T, dot. Right. Now we'll find the pictures and we'll match. K-O-T, cot. Do you know cot? I think Vetuja knows cot. Vetuja, Risindi, they have a small brothers. So the babies, small babies, they sleep on cots. Right? Cot is a bed with a fence. Right? It's made for babies. That is cot. So where is cot? The cot is the second picture. Here, small babies sleep inside the cot. Right? So, cot, cot. You can match them, right? Pot, 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 pot. So, where's pot? Where's pot? Is this a pot? No, it's not a pot. This is, we said already, that is pot. It's got. This is pot. Here it's a pot. There are different shapes, right? In pots, you can find many different shapes. But here, Binansha has gone and, right. Here, this is the pot. In this lot, pot is this. Right? Okay. And what is this? What is this? Dot. The last picture. Dot. Here, dot. I have missed the last, before that. This word I missed. Sorry. What is this? Hot. What is hot? It's very hot. Because of the sun, if you go outside when sun is there, right, we feel hot. Now, in this book, the sun is not given. No. Which picture shows hot? Which picture shows hot? Mana picture ka the hot pen nani? Which picture? The first one. Here's the tea. Tea is hot. The tea is very hot, so the steam also goes. See? The steams go up. So that is hot. The tea is very hot. We can't drink it. Very hot. Yes. Right. The last one is dot. Dot. This is dot. Okay, easy. Right? Easy. Now, take the previous page. We are going to draw the pictures and we are going to write them. Okay? Right. Draw the picture soon. I kept the dot first Very easy. Easy to draw. Dot, right? Pot, pot, right? The same thing I am drawing. The tea is very hot. Tea is very hot. Yes, you can draw, darling, Vetun, no problem. Draw the pictures, right? You draw the cross as you can. It's okay. I'm drawing like this. Right. Draw all pictures. Only 4 pictures. Draw them. Have all finished writing? Sorry, finished drawing the pictures? Yes? Right. Wait. Now we'll write the words. Okay? Right. What is this? Dot. Dot. How to write dot? Starting with the or t. The or t. Okay, we'll write dot. Finish writing, Shannon. No. Okay, we'll write. The is a tall letter, but we start from the curve. The. The or t. Dot. The and t, they are tall letters. Okay, right. Then the next one is pot. This is pot. How to write pot? P-O-T. P-O-T. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. How to write here? P has a tail. Go up, up, up. Half circle. O-T. P-O-T. Pot. This is, the tea is hot. Tea is hot. Am I too fast? Now, once you finish writing pot, raise your hand like this, right? Okay, I'm waiting for y'all. Once you finish writing pot, Shannon finish, okay? Risindi, Betun, if you have finished writing pot, raise your hand. Risindi finish, Biansha finish, Vetuja and Vetun. Vetun finish, Vetuja. Okay, never mind, darling. You take your time and write. It's okay. Finished, right? Then we'll write hot. Her or t. Her is a tall letter. Her is a tall letter. Her or t. Her or t. Hot. Her or t. Hot. Right? Then the last one is hot. K-O-T, hot. K-O-T, hot. Right? K-O-T, K-O-T, hot. Once you finish writing pot, raise your hand like this. Very good, Vetuja. Good boy. Very good. Bihansha, good. Right. Recently have finished and unfinished. Yes, only Vetun. Right. Now I'm going to erase these pictures. Right. I'm going to erase these pictures. I'm going to move to the next page also. So I'll draw another few pictures. You need to draw them soon, right? Here, I'm going to draw a tree. First, see what I'm drawing. A tree, right? But the tree is can't see because of this. What is this? Early in the morning, if you have gone out, right? What can you see? Like clouds in the morning and in the evening. You can see these. Like clouds, white color clouds, they come down early in the morning. What is that? We called it mist. If you go to New Australia, right, Candy, right, hill country like that, you will see mist a lot. Every morning you will see mist. මීදුම දැකලා තියෙනවද පුතාලා? දැකලා තියෙනවද මීදුම? උදේට clouds වගේ පල්ලහැට එන්නේ. This is මීදුම. We are going to call it fog. We are going to call it fog, right? Okay, fog. So when it comes down, we can't see the things properly, right? When fog comes down, can't see the trees, can't see the houses, even the road we can't see. When you go to Nuwara, you can feel this, you can see this, right? That is fog. And what is this? It's a log. Log. A big wooden piece. Right? A part of a trunk. Part of a trunk. It's log. It's log. Who is this? Who is this? Dog. Who is this? Dog. Dog. Right? The last one can see a person. Right? Who is running in the morning? Right? Who go for walk in the morning? What do you call it? Jog. Going for jogging. Going for jogging. Right? So, can you draw these 4 pictures here soon? Can you draw the pictures here? Take your book. Turn to the next page. The topic is og. Og. Right? Og. I want you to draw the pictures. You can draw. Have time. Right? Draw 4 pictures. Right, finish drawing all 4 pictures, Sri. Yes, Shannon finish. Good. Sri still drawing. Right, Sri finished drawing. Right. Vetun still drawing. Bihansha. The jogging on draw like this, it's okay. You can't draw the proper picture for jogging. Just draw like this. The person who is running, going for jogging. Right? Okay. Now, see, I'm going to write the words now. You don't write. It's okay. Just look at the board. Once we finish this lesson, you can write the words slowly. Right? Just see, I'll write soon. Just see what is this. The first one, I said that is fog. That is fog. Right? F-O-G. F is a tall letter. G has a tail. Right? Just look, darling. Slowly you write. It's okay. F-O-G. Fog. And this one, log. L-O-G. Again, L is a tall letter. O-G. L-O-G. Log. This is dog. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Right? And this is jog. J-O-G. Jog. Both has tails. Jog. Both has tails. J has a tail. G has a tail. Right? Now, this is for homework, darling. I want you to write all these words. Right? Now, you have your drawings. You have pictures. Write the names here later. And turn to this side. There are 4 words. Read them alone. Read them alone. And match with the pictures. There are 2 new words also. 2 new words are there. Right? See whether you can read and match alone. තනියම කරන්න try කරන්න. තනියම කියවලා තනියම match කරන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා බලන්න. අලුත් වචන දෙකකුත් තියෙනවා. Right? So they complete these 2 pages for homework. Okay? Right. All are very good. I know now you all have improved a lot. Y'all can read now. Y'all can write now. Can draw pictures nicely. Very good. Clever children.